Oh, better close that door. Good thing the umbrellas are out.
Yeah. Look at it bounce off the umbrellas.
Wow. Trying to see the greenhouse in the distance there. That's someone that just ran up the stairs?
No.
Oh, gee. Whoa. These are getting big. Here's one.
That's the triangle away.
Wow. Whoa, gee. Well, it's starting to be about the size of the crab apples now.
That's going to do a lot of damage.
Oh yeah, it's a good thing those umbrellas are on. Look at it bouncing back there.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, the only difference is the crab apples are green. Okay.
It's turning white.
We are in the midst of quite a little hailstorm here. Well, I don't dare get an umbrella and walk out there.
It's starting out trying to...
Got the metal bowl.
I know, look at the water flow.
Yeah. Holy doodle. Oh gee, it's just flowing off and into the gravel.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, the chives are getting water.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Oh geez, the petunias are... Well, that's kind of it for them, I hope. Oh, Coco! Wow, there's a whole stream running down to the garden both ways, following the path. I'm not too worried. These things are pretty resilient, but wow.
I've never seen the water flow like that though.
Not in a hailstorm. Let's see. Hailstorm flash flood. I kind of want to turn the camera here to see if... No, those guys are doing all right. Holy. Petunias over here aren't, so might have to... Okay, it's slowing down. It's mainly rain now. Ugh. Wow. Okay. Well, grab an umbrella. And I think it's kind of safe for me to go out and take a ponder. Slowed mainly to rain now. A lot of the hail has been washed away.
Yeah.
Let's get a broom and sweep this out. All right. Well, in this case, I don't think I wish you were here. But we're safe.